Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to find SAP database tables. Without any further ado, let's get started. First enter the transaction code ST05. Now press enter key. Now click on the activate trace. Now I'm going to the transaction ME23N. Enter the transaction code ME23N. Now press enter key. Copy the purchase order number. Go back to ST05 transaction. Now deactivate the trace. Just click on the deactivate trace. To display the trace, just click on display trace option. Now change the time. I am changing time to 12 to 11. I am changing the time. Now press enter key. Make sure SAP login ID, your SAP login ID in username field. Now click on execute option. Click on yes. Now click on find option. Paste the copied purchase order number here. Now click on right mark. See here, SAP started showing respective tables. Again click on right mark. Click on right mark here. Click on right mark again. See here, it started showing the all respective tables. This trick we can use in both ECC and SAP S4HANA. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.